Do you have any idea who would wish harm on your parents?
No, nothing. My mum was a very kind, very gracious woman.
It's okay. It's okay. And your dad?
He was a very honourable man.
The thing is, Alice, this was a very singular crime. No sign of robbery, no apparent, sexual motivation. Now, I've been a police officer for a very long time. And one of the things I've found is that these crimes, they're not random. And they're never without motivation. So as painful as it is, I'm going to ask you to dig deep and really think about any problems your parents might have been experiencing. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's been a long day. You got your PhD at 18, didn't you? Physics, was it?
Dark matter distribution in disk galaxies.
Alice, are you familiar with Occam's razor?
All things being equal, the simplest solution is the best solution.
That's right. Well, that principle tells me that the only person known to have been at your parents' house was you.
I don't see how it's possible to arrive at that conclusion.
Well, there's no sign of an intruder.
But absence of evidence isn't evidence of absence.
You're right. I'm making a leap.
Is this where you ask me if I hated my parents?
It's about that time, yeah.
Did they make me a freak? Yeah. Did I hate them? Absolutely. Did I kill them? No.
Can you prove that?
I can't prove anything.
Innocence is a negative. It's the absence of guilt.
Meaning the burden of proof is entirely yours. If you think I did this, then you need to demonstrate how and why.
You're right. And I won't be able to do that, will I? Because there's nothing. You don't interact with the things we know in the way that we expect. Your presence, your actions, they can only be inferred by a certain absence.
Is that
Absolutely.